Meet Jamie, an everyday person with an extraordinary talent for bubble wrap popping. Not just mindless popping, Jamie creates rhythmic beats that have turned this simple pleasure into a stunning art form. With each pop, they layer unique soundscapes, turning the dull into dynamic. What's wild is how Jamie harnessed this skill. They started simply relieving stress, but found that it improved their timing and hand-eye coordination. As they say, it's like drumming, but with bubbles. So next time you pop that rap, think of Jamie and all the bursts of creativity hidden in plain sight.